Do you want to learn Python programming in a fun way, and that too the fastest growing language, which is Python? So here we are. Hi, my name is Shubham and I am going to be your instructor in this Python course. In this series you will learn Python from basic to advanced, means from start to end. If you have zero knowledge in coding, then don't worry, you are at right place. In this series we will start from scratch, means you are from tech background or non-tech background, it doesn't matter. So you will understand the language fundamentals, you will understand the syntax, and not just that, we will also focus on concept. So let's start. In this series we categorize this Python course in two parts. In first part it is categorized into 17th chapter, which is core Python, and in second part it is categorized into 8 chapters where we will discuss on OOPS concept, object oriented programming. In core Python we will discuss about introduction to Python programming, features and applications of Python. We will discuss about syntax and we will write our first program in Python. Now Python literals, variables, indentations, Python comments. In multiple ways we will write comments in Python, operators in Python, data types, implicit and explicit type conversion. We will discuss about strings in Python, list, tuples, sets, dictionaries, and we will also able to create functions, how we define it, how we call it, and types of function, arguments, lambda function, and at last we will import our modules. So this is our core Python, and in OOPS concept we will discuss about basic object oriented programming, creating class and object, constructor in Python, parameterized and non-parameterized constructor, inheritance, inbuilt class methods and attributes, multi-level, multiple inheritance. We will discuss these two: inheritance, now method overriding, and data abstractions, encapsulation and polymorphism. This is our Python syllabus. So let's meet in our next video.